Hello, fellow traders everywhere. Jeremy Lutz here with your midday market update for Wednesday, the 23rd of May. And looks like we've had quite a bit move down today. Stocks have moved sharply lower since they opened the day, offsetting the gains posted earlier in the week. Lingering concerns about the financial situation in Europe are weighing on the markets once again. The pullback comes after traders are keeping a close eye on the latest developments in Europe, with traders and actually everybody worried about the impact of Greece leaving the Eurozone amid the meeting of European leaders in Brussels right now. And Greece just seems to be the news that won't go away. And even after Greece, are Spain and France soon to follow. But we'll get right into it here. I'm in my MarketClub portfolio manager, and we'll get here and we'll start right with the Dow. And as you can see, we're negative 100. Short across all time frames, currently trading at 12,337, down a little over 1.3% today, currently down 164.84. I don't think it came as much of a shock. I was watching myself last night. The Asian markets closed down, and then this morning when I woke up, the European markets were down. They closed down as well. The NASDAQ, the same story, negative 100. We're short across all time frames. As you see, currently trading at 2,804, down 1.2% for the day. The S&P 500 is still the only one that hasn't gone negative 100 yet. We're at negative 85. Intermediate and long-term traders are in short positions. Short-term traders are on the sidelines on this daily. But we're actually waiting for this triangle to get around the looks like right around that 1291 level, just to issue a red daily trade triangle go down. So looking again probably on the short term, should be around 1291. We should see that red daily triangle right here kick in. It's signaling a negative 100 for all time frames to be short. Clear the screen here, and we'll move right along. Silver's down to 27.34, still negative 100, short across all time frames. We actually, short-term traders got short again yesterday at 27.78, currently heading down. Be interesting to see where this market finishes up the rest of the week. Gold, much the same story. We actually got short again on the intermediate or short-term time frame at 15.68. Currently trading 15.43.75. Current score is negative 100, so we're short across all time frames. And I'm actually looking at. We're going to kind of scope it out here a little bit. I'm looking at this level right here, the 1500 level, and we'll kind of draw this in here. It's kind of something I've been keeping my eye on. You can kind of see, we'll just draw it here. This would be the lowest point since, looks like July of last year. You kind of see it's rolled over a couple times here. Started to test that level, came up, and now it's been heading down. We had a little bounce the other day, and now we're back down again. Sorry, my drawing's not really good there, but we're trying our best here. But I'd be really curious to see if it breaks through this. I believe this level right here is about 1525, 1527. If it'll continue down to that 1500 level is the next area of support. We'll scope this back in here. Move along to copper. Copper still issued a red triangle today on daily, so now we are negative 100. Short across all time frames. Down 2.5% right now, currently trading at 339. Crude oil actually dipped down below $90 for the first time since November 1st. It's definitely the lowest level since then. Prices dipped after the U.S. came out and said oil supplies grew last week since their highest level since 1990. So we have more supply than we have in 22 years. And of course, it's the first time I've actually come across this, that people were talking about, with the European economy slowing down, cutting to what's expected to be world record growth on world demand. So even with all the concerns in Europe, now that they're not consuming as much oil, and maybe the world supplies are going to increase as well, which should be driving this price down. But currently trading 89.77. down 2.2% today. Be interested to see where that market closes today. EURUSD, as you would imagine, is down. Issued a red daily trade triangle of the day, so we're negative 100, short across all time frames. Currently trading at $1.25. CRB Index took a huge gap down today, currently down 281, down 1.9%. Of course, we've been negative 100 on this for a while now, so we're still short across all time frames on the inflation index. And yes, this might be shocking to you, but we do have a couple stocks that are on the move today, and I find it funny that both of them are vacation planning websites, Expedia and Tripadvisor. This is Expedia, currently at plus 100. We're long across all time frames. We've actually been long from 33.62, currently trading at 45.05. It's actually up 5.42% today. So even in down market days, it just shows that you can find trades to the long side if you really do some searching. I actually found these with our Smart Scan trade triangle technology on our recent trade triangle list that we've recently updated. And here's Tripadvisor, plus 100, long across all time frames. We've actually re-entered long this stock on 5/1 at 37.85, currently trading 43.49, up today 1.92%. Not as much as Expedia, but definitely up on a down day for the market. Maybe everybody's selling in May and going away for the summer. You guess then they're looking to book their trips right now. I'll actually we'll go up here real quick to our MarketClub, and I'll show you that we actually made another improvement to the trade triangle scan this week that you may not notice. Of course, 2 weeks ago we added the ETFs, and yesterday or Monday we actually added in penny stocks. So now you can search for equities, foreign exchange, futures, indexes, mutual funds, ETFs, penny stocks, Australian stocks, and Canadian stocks. Really a powerful tool. You can come in here and see when triangles have triggered. If you hover over them, it'll give you the date and the time, or the day and at what price, and then you have what time it was detected right here. Really a nice new feature of MarketClub. And of course we have our members blog as well, where we have our daily exchange. I encourage all members, if you haven't got in there yet, we'd love to see you get in there and provide some commentary, talk about stocks you're watching, stocks you're trading. You'll see myself as well as some of the other folks in our office, and of course Adam when he gets back, hopefully here in a couple weeks. He'll be in there quite a bit answering your questions. And with that, we're going to wrap it up today. Short across all markets. Make sure you have your money management, your stops in play. And with that, we'll wrap it up for today. I'll see you tomorrow with a written update on the blog. Everybody have a great trading day and every success.